Are you anxious about hazardous contamination and fuel spills during outdoor maintenance work? Are you worried about workplace health and safety and the potential impact of fines and prosecutions from environmental protection bodies? Protecting you and your staff in outdoor environments from toxic spills is vital. Introducing SiteMat from LubeTech, your environmental partner. SiteMat is an innovative filtration system providing you with the confidence of capturing harmful contaminants whilst allowing rainwater to flow through. It's ideal for everyday outdoor work with equipment prone to leaks or refueling spills. Featuring our FilterTech smart liners and rigid platforms, our oil-absorbent filter provides support for various pieces of equipment, including site pumps, generators, and more. Inside the holdall, we find the base unit, smart liner options of standard or plus, rigid platform and positioning pegs. It's available in 4 sizes: small, medium, large and extra large. The liner fits neatly inside the easy-to-carry holdall. The portable holdall stows the mats neatly and makes the mat easily mobile from site to site. In construction environments, workers need to refuel equipment regularly, and they need a simple solution that works in tough outdoor situations. SiteMat's unique one-way filter allows water, including rainwater, to flow through whilst absorbing harmful intoxicants such as fuels and oils, meaning that you and your equipment can continue working even during adverse weather conditions. Using SiteMat maintains a pristine environment and is perfect for a variety of everyday work situations, including machine refueling duties. The positioning pegs can be inserted for extra safety. Heavy plant machinery often requires on-site maintenance. When disconnecting hydraulic hoses, for example, placing SiteMat underneath collects any contaminants. Furthermore, the base unit's durable sidewalls can be driven over by heavy machinery and will reform their original borders. Brass grommets for ground anchoring ensure the mats are held firmly in place and also allow for vertical hanging for drip drying after use. Plus, the polyethylene platform grates enhance grip and stability, holding the semi-permeable base in position on uneven ground. Unlike competitive products on the market, the all-PVC construction makes cleaning the mats quick and easy. The SiteMat base and platforms can be reused multiple times. Simply purchase replacement liners, making them a great value investment. Blue hazard bags are included in the kits. LubeTech's SiteMat is a complete on-site solution to protect against environmental contamination caused by oil and fuel spillage. Our range features a wide variety of mat sizes to suit numerous applications, and tradespeople, construction workers, drain engineers, rescue workers, mobile caterers and agricultural engineers can all use SiteMat to ensure clean and environmentally safe spill containment. For further info, get in contact now.